Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Optima. If you guys have a Kia Optima and you have engine light on and any of the following codes, anything from code P0220 all the way to code P0224, any of these 5 codes guys, we'll explain what most likely causes that and how to fix it. Now, it could be multiple things, make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain about testing and finding out what's wrong, so all that will be covered today. In addition, we will explain which engine computer we use for diagnostics, because many of you actually request that information in the comment section below. So let's go ahead and start on it now. This should actually work guys on Kia Optima generation 2010 to year 2016. Now, if you guys want to see where we buy all the tools, parts, anything that you need for your Kia Optima, check out the link in the description of the video below guys. We'll share everything guys there. Also, you can see where we get all our tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Something else guys, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything, and that's the plan on that Kia Optima as well. All the mechanical videos will be on this channel, and if you want to see videos about diagnostics, electronics, fixing electronic components guys, all that will be shared on our second channel. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live, so check it out, it will be there. Now let's go ahead, continue and show you what we need to do. Specifically guys, we have a 2013 Kia Optima. If you have any of these codes, most of the times guys, okay, but not always, they relate to problems with the throttle body. Now, when disconnecting wiring harness, working close to the throttle body, you're super close to the radiator fan, so we recommend to disconnect the car battery. On these modern vehicles, it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can cause damage to the engine computer, electronics, modules, and that can cost you thousands of dollars to fix. So if you want to see which battery terminal to disconnect first, we have a video that explains that and how to properly do it. The video will be shared in the description of the video below. Now, with all that being said guys, let's explain what can cause that. Multiple things. One of them, this is the wiring harness for your throttle body. Make sure that it's plugged all the way in. Make sure you don't have oil leaks from valve cover or something like that in the wires that can cause interruption of signal and cause something like that. Make sure the wiring harness is not broken. It's close to the radiator fan. If that clip is broken and it's not holding it in place, it can end up in the radiator fan. Another thing, sometimes during the cold winter months, rodents such as mice can get in the engine bay to find a warm spot and they chew on the wire sometimes. We had a problem like that on a Ford Edge, and it happens guys, so you need to make sure that you address that as well. Check the wires, each one of them, to make sure it's good. What else can cause that? Okay, it could be dirty throttle body. Dirty throttle body will not be performing correctly, it may be sticking. This one has only 80,000 miles. We clean half of it guys and half is dirty. You can see that's a lot of carbon buildup that can prevent the throttle body from closing correctly and opening correctly. And we clean the other half, and day and night difference guys. Now, what else can cause that? The throttle body has a motor that activates it because it's electronic throttle control, and you have gears, plastic gears that can crack, break, wear out, or you have a bad motor. If you want to see how to test throttle body, we have the video on the channel, how to test throttle body on Kia Optima. All that will be shared on our channel guys. Now, what else can cause that? Okay, before we continue, let me explain the computer that we use guys, Maxicom. We'll put the link in the description of the video below. What's cool about that computer, it can pay itself off in one-time use guys. You can use it on almost any car you can think of. It's amazing. And Kia, okay, it's right here. You can access every computer on your Kia, read, delete code, see live data, and you can guys do so much that it can pay itself off in one-time use. We'll put the link in the description of the video below, check it out. Now let's explain what else can cause any of these codes from P0220 or on your Kia Optima. You need to come in the footwell by the gas pedal guys, accelerator pedal. That pedal actually controls the throttle body. Now, I've seen, okay, problems where, okay, you can see you have a sensor that detects how much you press it, right? This is your sensor. People will kick their feet up. They will knock the wires loose. They will damage the sensor. That can actually lead guys to having those codes, especially broken, disconnected wire. Now, Sometimes people will kick their format all the way in there. They don't care, they just keep pushing until they break something. People like that just make me mad, guys. So always inspect the wires, always inspect, make sure it's plugged in. And we also have a video on the channel that explains how to test accelerator pedal, throttle pedal on Kia Optima, so that can show you if it's working correctly or not. You get the idea. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.